everyone. Welcome to JAIIB CAIIB English Medium. And first of all, congratulations to each and every banker who have cleared their JAIIB in this attempt. But if you are a banker and your aim is also to clear your JAIIB in first and single attempt, then do subscribe to our channel and do follow this session. Because now today in this session, we are going to discuss about what is this JAIIB, eligibility, syllabus, and how you can cover this JAIIB syllabus in this upcoming month. Yes, because now if you see your JAIIB will be in your 2026, correct? For that, you required some proper strategy, one proper planning for that. And that is what we means here in our team we will be discussing each and everything related to it. So make sure if you are facing any doubt related to it, you can ask us through the comments also, and we will provide you one proper strategy solution. So stay tuned till the end. So Aman ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So as Aarti ma'am have already told you why we are here today in this session, because we are going to talk about the JAIIB and the next attempt of JAIIB that will be May 2026. So definitely we have 5 to 6 months now to prepare for May 2026 JAIIB, but the level of paper we are facing, and the IIBF have given the level of paper in November 2025. It definitely says that we have to start early. And that's why we all are here to discuss what next to be done in the upcoming months so that we can secure our JAIIB certificate. And that's why we are here, in which we will be discussing what is JAIIB, how we are going to start this, and all the team members who will be with all of you in your next journey of JAIIB 2026. So let's start, Aarti ma'am.
Yes. So let's first understand what is this JAIIB. Yes. So JAIIB is a junior associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. This is a certification course, correct? This is just a professional course through which you will get one increment in your salary. So this is your additional increment. Yes. Means every year you are getting annual increments, and this is going to be one more increment that will be added. Now, this is your foundation level exam, which is conducted by IBF. This is your body, government body, especially for the banks, and they are conducting this exam. Then this is mandatory for career growth in banking, as you can see, just not for the increment, but you will get lots and lots of information, updations, whatever. As a banker, you need to understand. That is what covered in your JAIIB syllabus. Then this also gives the knowledge, confidence, and you are eligible somewhere for the promotions. Because nowadays, if you are applying for any promotions, or in banks, if there is any promotion, chances are there. So this is one of the criteria they will add. Yes. So if you are holding this JAIIB CAIIB certificate, you will get additional 10 marks. This type of situations you can see in banks promotion now. So and last thing you can see, this is held twice a year as May and November. So these are the two times in which IABF conduct this JAIIB exam. So this is your one brief introduction of it. Now, why as a banker you should give this JAIIB exam? First, as we already discussed, it will give you the increment in your salary. Now, apart from it, you will get the deep understanding of your banking operations, because your whole syllabus of JAIIB is, related to your banks only. In whatever area, in whatever level you are working, this will give you one basic understanding, whatever your field, yes, like you are from commerce, non-commerce, any other backgrounds. This will create one proper foundation as a banker that you need to have. Then this will also create your professional understanding, strong base for CIB. This is your first level. The next level is your CIB level. As in JIB, you are getting one increment. In a CIB, you will get 2 increments. But you can give CIB only when you have cleared your JIB level. Yes, so this is the pure foundation level through which you will be eligible to clear your CIB. Then this improves your decision making in day to day, because now you will get every updated knowledge from RBI, from banking regulation, economy, accounts, management, everything. And finally, you will get, you can see, recognized across all banks, PSB, private, RRB, cooperative banks. So this is a well-known certification course which is acceptable in each and every bank nowadays. So this is the reason that you need to go with this JIB. Then next comes, what are the papers that you need to handle here? So basically here are 4 papers in your JIB. First, Indian economy and financial system. Then your AFM, that is accounting and financial management. Then you have PPB related to pure banking understanding knowledge, that is principles and practices of banking. And finally, RBWM, that is retail banking and wealth management. So these are the four papers that you need to clear in your JIB. Then only you will be eligible to get one increment in your salary. So these are the exam papers that you need to clear. Then next is who can apply it, because this is one very common question which everyone is facing. If you haven't applied till now, or if you have just joined your bank, or you are an aspiration for aspirant for the bank, then you need to give this paper. Yes, because from day one you will be getting one additional increment in your salary. So that is one benefit I'm talking about. But who are eligible? Let's talk about it. So first of all, permanent and confirmed employees of banks. If you are already a banker, then of course you can give it. Apart from it, you can see PSBs, private banks, RRBs, cooperative banks. In every bank now, you can submit this certificate and you will be allowed to get increments. And employees registered with RBI, this is your IFBF. So basically, if you are applying for JIB, there are some qualification requirement. Yes, like 12th pass, then membership requirement. So this is what they're writing here, that if your bank is already member of IFBF and you have cleared your 12th standard also, then you are 100% eligible to give this JIB. Otherwise, you can give one more exam related to same this JIB, that is DBNF exam. Correct. And registration you need to do with the IFBF website only. And why we are always saying to subscribe to our channel, because all this information about registration, subjects, eligibility, we will discuss only on this particular channel. So that is the reason we always say to subscribe it and follow this for all more information related to your JIB. So ma'am, you want to add any additional point here?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So as Aarti ma'am already told you what is JIB, what are the subjects here, and who can give actually this paper. So one thing I want to add, that already those people who are bankers, those who are working in either you are in a public sector bank, private bank, or the rural bank, definitely you have to go for it. Not only for the monetary benefit, that's a cherry on the top we can say, but you get a knowledge enhancement, a skill enhancement is there, and that actually help you surviving in your banking career. When you are in a bank, once you have cleared the JIB and CIB, you get a lot of respect. Everybody look towards you. If we need any kind of guidance, or if we need to know something about that, they actually looks to you that this is the person who already have cleared the JIB. So that respect, that knowledge, that importance you get in the banking career of yours. And definitely, because we know in the banks, we get transferred to the different departments as well, like different works we have to do. There also, this knowledge is going to help you out. If you are a banker, this exam is called as a JIB. And if you are a non-banker, you are preparing for a bank, then the same paper is called as a Diploma in Banking and Finance. So you can go for that Diploma in Banking and Finance. And once you join the bank, you can convert this to the JIB and you will get your increment. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Yes. So with us now we have Vishal sir also. So Vishal sir.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually today was a JAIIB RBWM paper. So the analysis and everything was being done. See, importantly remember all you guys, today's paper was fabulous for all those who are in Adda 24/7. Why? Because all the mentors over here at Adda 24/7 have a great experience. We have taught almost 10 to 12 per person, per mentor. We have taught around 20-30,000 students. So that's why you do apply for this JAIIB immediately and start your studies. Now we are going on with these slides, right? I think so ma'am has completed this. Who can apply?
Yes, sir. If you want to add, sir, you can add more points here.
Definitely. Say this. Firstly, understand who can apply. The point over here is whether, as Amanjot ma'am has already told you, whether you be a banker or non-banker, you can definitely apply. So now the question is, why should a non-banker apply or why should a banker apply? The basic question over here is this. See, you are in banking. You have decided your banking as a career. So if you have decided, give full list. Why to be only as a stamp paper banker? Means cash clearing, transfer, account opening, go home. Fund transfer and go home. That is not required in banking now. Kindly note. Future banking is totally different. Future banking is not the banking which is required, which you are doing right now. In future, you will be required to know AI, blockchain, plus your knowledge bankers subjects. See the subjects over here, if you see all the subjects, you call it PPB, you call it RBWM, you call it AFM, Indian economy, they give you the overall picture of the financial world. Nowadays, we are not in banking. Earlier, roughly in 2000 or before 2000, the concept was bankers used to be the only person who can give the loans in the society. Now you are in the finance field. Now NBFCs give more loans than the banking. We have online payment system, online loan systems. So we have a competition from a lot of them. Private bankers, neo banks, all these banks have started now. So that's why you all should be very much updated and knowledgeable. Then only bank will be considering you for the future promotions, for the future growth. Okay. So now cash clearing transfer bankers are not required. Slowly in next 5 years, the role will change. Yeah, ma'am, you can continue.
Yes. So now let's discuss more thing that why you should choose officers under 24/7. Yes, I think Vishal sir will tell you in much better way because recently he gave wonderful results about
Yeah, sure. Basically, see, all of us, means many of the mentors, me as well as others also, we teach for JIB also and CIB also. Many of us are, means I am the banker, ex-banker, and many others have taught in the training field, and some are Aarti ma'am is CA, Amanjot ma'am has herself taught for to many bankers as such. So that's why we all mentors over here are totally, means not only knowledgeable. Knowledgeable is a separate part. We know how to make the tough things simple. Okay. See, once Einstein had told what was the basic sentence: who is called as a good teacher? The one who can make the tough things simple for others, for everyone to understand. So that's what the basic is. And all the mentors over here have taught more than 20-30,000 students. We have taught more than around 12. In fact, I have taught roughly around 75 batches for both J and C. So that's why remember, we all mentors over here, and if you do a simple experiment in your own field, wherever you are, ask any banker who has cleared JIB or CIB, and ask them, he will be somewhere related to Adda 24/7. That's why Adda 24/7 is a leader. The only reason is the mentors. The mentors over here have a complete control over the subject. We have seen the subjects, and that's the only reason. You can see the results also, right? See the results. The results, if you see, all of them 50, 50 plus, 60, 60 plus. Minimum passing, IIBF has kept 50. We at Adda 24/7 keep it for 60. So you must score 60 plus. All of the scores you see, it will be 60 plus. This time, RBWM's maximum score was 87 right now. Means in the afternoon batch is 87. Similarly for accounts also, similarly for Indian economy also, similarly for PPB also. The scores are around 80 and 85 plus. We have almost 5 to 10% students who are 80, 85 plus. And 60 plus are many. Why? Because of the topic control. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered over here. Everything. Not even a single point is left. That's the only reason why you should choose Adda 24/7. Look at all the results. For AFM also, IE IFS, AFM, similarly PPB, similarly RBWM. Okay, you check with all your students, all your friends. They'll definitely give the name of Adda 24/7. Yeah, man.
Yes. So with this, now let's launch our new batch, especially for our upcoming 26. That is going to be our Increment Batch 2.0. Yes, so this is going to be your English medium batch. Now remember, in this we will be covering your conceptual understanding. But apart from it, we have so many features, and this is going to be our team here. Here, Vishal sir, Kenshuk sir, Aman ma'am, and I'm going to, deal with all your concepts, all your numericals, all your theories in this particular batch. So what is this particular batch will carry here? So this will carry, you can say, as online live classes, then test series, you can see here, ebooks, and we are starting this particular batch from 28th November. Now, 4 subjects are there, that is your AFM, Indian Economics, PPB, and RBWM. These 4 subjects are compulsory subjects which you need to cover in this limited time. Yes, your next target is going to be your May 26 or June 26, whatever IFBF will provide you. Yes, so we are starting early so that you can do the revision also. You can give the mock test also. You can give here more, you can say self-study time so that you can understand the topics and you can hold those topics in your exam. Because now exam level that has been changed drastically from your May 2025. Yes, so this is about your JAIIB May 2026 upcoming batch. And we have one more batch, that is your JAIIB Mahapak. Now, why we always say to go with the Mahapak? Because in this, you won't be getting only increment batch. Apart from it, you will get your crash course classes, revision classes, so that you can continuously revise with us. Yes, so this is what your Mahapak going to be, in which you will get live sessions, mock test, ebooks, and videos. And next, you can see we have one more pack, that is JAIIB Mahapak Increment. So additionally to your JAIIB Mahapak 2.0, we have Increment box. Means in this, you will be getting all the books which we will be delivering at your home. Yes, so Vishal sir, if you want to add any point. Yes.
Sure. I'll definitely add to this point.
Yeah.
I'll add to one more point, because just now, as ma'ams were telling that exams are getting tougher. Amanjot ma'am also said, Aarti ma'am also said. See, the point over here is, earlier they were asking you the questions directly from the book. Whatever is given, they were asking you that. But now it's within the books. Means within the lines. You have to understand the lines. Okay, for example, I'll just give you today's question. Just now today's question. Earlier, they used to ask you, what is capital gains tax? I mean, that was a simple question earlier. Now, the property is transferred from grandfather to father, then father to son, and now who will pay the capital gains tax and how much will it be paid? Will the son be required to pay the capital gains tax from the grandfather? Means that level of questions are coming nowadays. Just today's question I'm giving you. So the exam levels are getting tougher, and for that, you need a complete, means the mentor should be so much conversant with the technical terms that they themselves shouldn't go wrong. And that's what the beauty of Adda 24/7 mentors is. We are so much tested in our fields that you will get the right knowledge, to be frank. Now, talking about the Increment Mahapak. In Increment Mahapak, the normal Mahapak features are there. Normal Mahapak features means what? You'll be getting 15 plus batches per subject. Okay. Plus you'll be getting various other, means mock tests are there, ebooks are there. That is definitely there. But increment box, what is that? What does that include? This will include a formula bank for you, delivered at your home, physical formula bank. You will be getting a question bank for all the subjects, delivered at your home, physical one. So you're having ebook also, physical book also. Plus, you'll be getting other handouts as well. Now, the point over here is, many times what happens, we work in banks for almost 10 hours, 12 hours. So your eyes will get strained because of this computers, mobile everywhere. So you can read the physical books. Whenever you want, you can read the physical books. If you want, you can read the mobile while traveling or anywhere you want to study. Audio books are available. Video books are available. The video lectures are available. You can directly go through them. So that is the beauty of Increment Mahapak. 15 plus batches, plus formula bank, plus question bank. Okay, all these plus other deliverables. See this: 10,000 plus hours of online live classes, 4,000 plus mock test, 4,500 ebooks. Now you have roughly 6 months. Okay, in 6 months, even if you are able to do half of this, then also you will clear the paper. Even if half of this you do, then also it's very simple. Okay. So definitely join the Increment Mahapak. And what is the code to be used in this case? See, JAIIB May 80. JAIIB May 80. Remember the JAIIB May and 80. 80% is a discount. Now, one more point. If you download the app, it's available on both Google also and iPhone also. So if you download the app, then you'll be getting 1% extra. 81. So 80 plus 1. So only 19 rupees you have to pay out of 100. And this is the investment for your career. Investment for career, only 19 rupees, 19% is huge. Means you can definitely, means if you get a single increment in 1 year, you will recover all these funds. So that's why go for it immediately. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So as sir already informed you about the coupon code, so by that you will be getting 80%, and if you download our app, you will be getting additional 1% off through the coins. And on all the products, you will be getting double validity, especially on all Maha packs. So remember to download our app, and if you have any further questions, any further query related to this batches, or any particular questions related to your JIB, you can call in this number, that is 0981 981 9247. So this is our experts number. They will guide you, they will help you before enrolling if you have any further questions which you cannot we have not covered here. So this is the number, and remember the coupon code JIB May 80, and these are the benefits you will get. Yes.
Yeah.
And you can download directly from your Apple Store and this Android Google Play Store also, this app at the 24/7. So all the very best, everyone. And let's start your journey of your JIB. And anything, Aman ma'am, you want to add, you can add, ma'am.
Just want to say, let's just start May 2026 journey together, and we'll be connected till the analysis session of your last paper of RBWM that we have already done in November 2025. Vishal sir is here after completing his analysis only. So let's start this journey and let's clear May 2026 JIB paper. Yes, sir.
Surely. And all of you, don't miss the tempo. See, if you feel that, many of us say that agle saal denge, agla saal never comes. It's now or never. You do it now or you'll never do it. Go for it immediately and you can clear it definitely. Okay? Chalo, best of luck.
Thank you, everyone.
Aman.